So we've got the old police station on fire here. I don't know what's going on, but we've got loads of people here. So I don't think it's anything serious. I just think there's been a little bit. So there is a little bit of smoke. Don't know whether you can see it coming out there. I've just spoke to the fireman, and apparently it's one of the flats that's on fire in there. I think the are just trying to evacuate it now. I don't know anything else. I don't know what else is actually happened there, but I know there is 3 fire engines there now. There's nothing, I don't think, here. I'm just having a look here, but you can see, if I zoom in there, the smoke coming out. Let's just zoom in and have a look there. So it looks like it's on fire around the back end. There is 1 or 2 cars actually here now. And I don't know, but there could be smoke actually where the lighters in the building there actually coming out of there. It does look a little bit hazy there. So this building used to be the old police station here in Kidsgrove many years ago. Like I say, I think the fire chief's just come. There's not a lot happening really, but there is a little bit. I've seen no residents or anything yet. I haven't seen any residents come out. But it is a shame. Like I say, it was the old police station. So let's go a little bit up to the top here now and see what's happening here. We've got water pumping out here. They have set up a thing, and the hose is across. And like I say, if I zoom in across there, we have got a few fire engines and different things there. Like I say, I can't see any residents, so it doesn't look like they've evacuated any of the flats. But I think they have been in there, and I think they've been trying to see what's actually happening. So that's just a short video tonight of the old Kidsgrove police station. So I think we'll end this video here now, because I can't, like I've said earlier on, see a lot more actually going on. I don't know how long this will be going on. So there was a bit more noise and activity there, but I still can't I can't see anything that's actually happening there. Cars, they're still letting cars through. Cars are still going up and over the hose pipe. Let's just zoom in on that fire engine there. So I did say I was going to end the film a minute ago, then like I say, I heard a little bit more activity, and I thought I'd just go and have another quick look and see what was actually happening there. But not a lot. Like I say, I think we'll definitely end it here. There's no flames or anything pouring out of the top, so that's good. Everybody must be safe. So I'm glad I've been able to just show you that and show you what's actually happened. I'll see you soon on the next video.